Hey there! Ever find yourself needing a quick fix for a pesky hole in your car's radiator? The auto parts version is not good enough? Here's a secret. There's a better product being sold in plumbing stores. That's right, we're talking about epoxies. But wait, don't just ask for any epoxy because these stores have a hidden section with some truly superior products. These are not just your regular epoxies, they're twice the size and way better. Here's the thing. These epoxies come in two forms. One is for hard plastics and the other is for metal. No problem, the plastic epoxy has got you covered. Need to fix a metal device? The metal epoxy is your best friend. I've used these on grills, commercial door handles, iron gates, even engine blocks. That's right, they're so effective, they can be used instead of welding. And the plastic version is perfect for sealing leaks on water backup reservoirs on vehicles. Next time you're in a bind, remember this tip and head to your nearest plumbing store for some high-quality epoxy. You won't regret it. Plastic or metal epoxy putty by Hercules.